Neo-Black Movement of Africa (NBM) Ogbeni chapter, one non-governmental organization wey focus on social work and community development, don make important contribution for education by donating writing materials, chairs and desks to different schools for Edo State. The schools wey benefit from the donation na Erosanye, Ohove and Amufi Modern Primary Schools for Ikpobaoka Local Government Area and Igwomo Primary School for Wonde Local Government Area. Our Tori person Idausa Igodaro talk say for Ohove Modern Primary School, NBM members, as part of their work to support the community, share exercise books and pen to the children to help them for their schoolwork. The head teacher can use the opportunity beg for more chairs and desks for the teachers, plus make them build borehole wey go give the children clean water to drink. The children and the head teacher contact NBM Wella for the donation and pray say NBM go continue to succeed so them go fit do more for the community.
You came at the right time, and I'm so impressed being the headmaster of the school. You have come to solve about 100% of the problems we have in the school by supplying us school materials to give to the children, chalkboard, and also helping to amend the gate and bringing tables and chairs, teachers' table and children's table to assist us. Well, no, it's a good innovatives in the right direction. If only we have an organization like this that can assist us in making these things in reality, then it's fine. We are happy. We want to appreciate every one of you. I hope to see more of this in our school. My joy is a primary school a modern primary school happens to be one of the schools that is benefiting from this program of all the schools in the locality or in the state. To have made a primary school one of the schools, no, it has given me joy as the headmaster of the school, and every teacher has given us all joy. You could see the excitement when we went around the classes. Children were happy, teachers were happy. Yeah, we are so happy.
I'm going to tell them thank you for donating book to us, that God will bless them and give them more money to be able to contribute to us, that those that do not have.
For Erosanye Primary School and Amufi Modern Primary School, then donate exercise book, pens and chairs with desks. The children and some teachers can salute them as they commend the NBM for the generous donation.
On behalf of my school, both the teachers and the pupils of Amufi Primary, Amufi Modern Primary School, on behalf of our LGA, on behalf of our suburb, so we appreciate your efforts. We thank you. Since I have been here, this is the first chair I have seen that your company provided for us today. It's a great thing. In fact, I'm very happy. We are pleased. We appreciate your efforts for being here this time to provide these school materials. Not only the seats, not only the people's seats, including books, baskets, waste bin, and so forth. So, on behalf of my school, once again, we say thank you.
For Igwomo Primary School, they also give exercise books, chairs and desks as the members come encourage the children to focus well on their studies. Them talk say the support now to ginger the children to learn well.
Enhance your education. We've also brought you tables and chairs for the classes that has no tables and chairs. All these are one of our civic duties to support society. So if you are happy, raise your books and say thank you, NBM.
Thank you, NBM. Let's give NBM a love shout by signal.
Clap for yourself.
For NBM of African for giving us a school materials, chair and tables and books. We want to thank him for the ruler, the biro, the pencil, for making our school proud. So I want to say thank you.
I want to say thank you for bringing things to us, for bringing books, biros, pencil, chairs.
I'm very happy and grateful for your contribution towards the development of education in Nigeria in particular and Africa in general. I appreciate all your contribution. The educational materials you donated to Igwomo Primary School, Igwomo, in Uhun, the local government area of Edo State.
The members of the Neo-Black Movement of Africa Ogbeni chapter for their part talk say the donation are part of their commitment to giving back to the society, as them also took mouth and tell some of their past efforts like rebuilding police station, providing medical services and other community projects. They come assure say them will continue to engage in social programs wey go improve society.
We are members of NBM of Africa Worldwide, Ogbeni chapter. We cover part of Ikobalka and Uhun local government areas. This is one of our civic duties to humanity and to the society. Like you know, we've always done all these kind of gestures. The last time was the area command police we built, these health centers. Now we said let's present educational materials to 22 schools within our jurisdiction, covering Ikobalka, part of Ikobalka, and Uhun local governments. You can see this is Igbomo Primary School. We're here to present educational materials, writing books, pencils, rulers, erasers, writing boards, tables and chairs. We will still do more. But this is just to encourage the students to become better citizens of the society.
We've been doing a lot. We just started this now. As of today, we've gone to about 4 different schools. We've given out books. We've given out over 5,000 books. And we still have more to give. By tomorrow, we'll still go around more schools. In essence, what we are trying to do is that we want to encourage other organizations, other bodies that they should support the government. The government cannot just do this by themselves alone. That's why we keep on coming to see what we can do. Like the other school that we went to, they complained about a lot of things. Even they lacked chairs, they lacked a lot of basic amenities. Like what we promised the headmaster and the headmistress there, that we'll come back there to give them more chairs. We'll come back there to look for a way that will give them water. Yes, because going around these schools, man, in fact, there was one particular class I went into, tears came out from my eyes. I felt so bad for them, but it is the little that we have, and this contribution came from few of our members. So we'll continue to do our best. Like my brother rightfully said, we've given to the society via making donations to the Nigerian Police Force. Even other chapters, they have been doing more. We've given out balls, we've built police stations, we've built schools, and we'll continue to do more to support the government.
According to Nelson Mandela, who says education is the only weapon you can use to change the world. So as you can see, as an organization, we are giving back in form of education to empower the pupils so that they can become better people in future, to be able to contribute not just to their states, but Nigeria and the world at large. And we still hope to do more like we started before. So we hope to do more and give back to the society, because that's what the organization stands for, because that's what our corporate social responsibility is all about, giving back to the society.
Make none forget say, as we see them, now so we dey talk 'em. We know the take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesoli, TMC TV News.